let's look at the study details. How many people is this study planning to recruit, and how will they be recruited?
Well, we would like to recruit at least 200,000 people across the UK. Yes. With that many participants, we should be able to identify very rare adverse events. For example, those associated with other vaccines in the past, such as Guillain-Barré syndrome. Participants will be recruited via many routes, including news articles, press releases, social media, contacting people with an interest in clinical trials, advertising, and word of mouth. Many vaccine centres, GP surgeries, and community pharmacies are already displaying posters to raise awareness of Vac4covid.
Thanks. And are there going to be controls? I mean, people who are not vaccinated?
Participants who cannot be vaccinated or those who choose to decline vaccination are welcome to join our study. But for the most part, our control group is made up of participants who have not yet been vaccinated. Because most participants provide a baseline picture of their health prior to vaccination, they are the control group until they receive the vaccination.
And just to follow up, which vaccine are you looking at?
Vac4covid is monitoring all UK approved COVID vaccines. When participants complete their vaccine information on the website, they can select Oxford AstraZeneca, Pfizer-BioNTech or Moderna, and more vaccines will be added as they become available.
And how will the monitoring be done and for how long?
Well, this is quite important. After registering with Vac4covid and completing demographic and medical information, participants will be sent an email reminder asking them to complete a follow-up form once per month. This form asks if there have been any changes to their health and usually takes only a minute or two to complete. When participants inform us of their vaccinations, the email reminders are sent weekly for 4 weeks before reverting to monthly. Now, the study is expected to run for approximately 3 years, but some participants may be involved for longer or shorter, depending on when vaccination becomes available to them. If we are required by the MHRA to change the duration of the study, for example, due to changes in the vaccination programme, we will inform participants directly. Completing the follow-ups takes only a minute or two, so we hope that participants will stay for the duration.
Thanks. And just to clarify that point, how will people give their feedback? Is there going to be a form or an app on their phone, for example?
The study is entirely web-based. There is no app, there is no paperwork. The study was developed for online use. It's very easy to use, whether it be by computer or tablet, and the version that can be used on smartphones is particularly good as well. So patients have a choice of many different ways of interacting with the website.